Virgo, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. It has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is affirmation, confirmation. Write down what your needs and your wants are on a piece of paper. Skip no spaces. Fill in the front and back. Lord, God, Spirit is saying, what do you want? Because I'm here to give you what you want. Be specific. Be bold. You've worked this hard. And you deserve to ask for what you want specifically. So make sure that you're even thinking, projecting for the next 10 years, what you're going to need to sustain, what would you like in your life, because they're ready to give it to you now. I listen to myself and I acknowledge my needs. I assert myself and retain my power by being bold and strong. I am a brave, gentle soul, and I do not have to be afraid of others because I respect myself. Therefore, I'm respected by others. How you treat yourself is how others are going to treat you. How you love yourself is how everyone else is going to love you. So be your biggest cheerleader. Show people the standard of how to treat you, and also set the bar when you write down your affirmations of what your qualifications and what your requirements are that you're asking from Spirit, because they're coming through with your blessing. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.